Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. A whole new world. That's how tourism stakeholders are describing the conditions which will facilitate the full reopening of the sector. Andrew Laidley reports.
According to Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, tourism arrivals declined 90% in January and 80% in February compared to last year. He said things only started to pick up in March. Mr. Bartlett is optimistic that the momentum will continue. He says the emerging tourism landscape will be a new one, driven by innovation.
A huge role in the new experiential tourism that will emerge during and post-COVID. With the old touchless gadgetry that are required for sanitation, the new way in which rooms are going to be configured, the use of the Internet of Things as a driver of services within the tourism sector.
He says companies involved in the production of health and sanitary items stand to benefit significantly from the new tourism industry.
If you are in to what we call biosanitary technology and health-related equipment, that's a good start just to ensure that new demographic of which I spoke, the COVID, what I call the generation COVID, Gen C, they are going to be driven heavily. And the millennials that constitute an important part of that Gen C that's coming, they are going to be driven heavily by destinations that have this level of destination assurance born out of these critical protocols which are in place.
He also noted that greater emphasis will be placed on targeting the diaspora.
About 10% of our tourism arrivals are from the diaspora. And we could relate a similar flow in terms of the 3.7 billion that we would. So about 370 million, 400 million US dollars come to us directly from diaspora.
Mr. Bartlett is scheduled to make his sectoral presentation in Parliament on April 13, where he pledged to detail Jamaica's tourism outlook. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.86. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.76. The pound sterling is going for $202.41, while the euro closed the day at $175.05. The JSE index gained 2,694 points today. The junior market index is up 13 points. Among today's winners were Siboney Group, Palace Amusement, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Jamaican Producers, and First Rock Capital Holdings. On the losing side were Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Stationery and Office Supplies, Salada Foods, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Blue Power Group. And that's the business day. International stories when we return.